Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up the Singtel WiFi Mesh Extender AC2600 manually, step by step. This extender is perfect for boosting your Wi-Fi signal throughout your home, especially in areas with weak or no coverage. Follow along as we walk you through each stage of the setup for optimal performance and coverage. Let's dive in. Start by unboxing your Singtel WiFi Mesh Extender AC2600. Inside the box, you'll find the extender unit, power cable, and a quick start guide to help you through the setup. Next, plug the Singtel WiFi Mesh Extender AC2600 into a power outlet located close to your main router or gateway. This ensures a smooth and quick setup process, as the extender needs to establish a connection with your router for optimal configuration and performance. After plugging in the extender, wait for the power LED to start blinking, which indicates that it's ready to connect. On your phone, tablet, or computer, open your Wi-Fi settings and look for the network named Singtel_XXXX. This is the temporary Wi-Fi network of your extender, which you'll connect to. Once connected to the Singtel_XXXX network, open a web browser such as Google Chrome or Safari. In the address bar, type http://192.168.1.1 and press enter. This will take you to the extender's setup page where you can begin the configuration process. You'll be prompted to log into the setup page. Enter the default username and password to proceed with the configuration. If you're unsure of the details, they can typically be found on the bottom of your extender or in the Quick Start guide. By default, both fields are often set to admin. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the setup page. The next step is to select your primary Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. After choosing your network, enter your Wi-Fi password to connect the extender to your router. This will allow the extender to boost and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal. Now, it's time to relocate your extender for the best coverage. For optimal performance, place it about halfway between your router and the area where Wi-Fi signal is weak. Ensure that the signal strength LED on the extender turns green, indicating a strong, stable connection. Finally, test your new Wi-Fi connection by checking the signal strength in areas where you previously had weak or no coverage. Move around your home to see if the extender has successfully improved the speed and reliability of the signal. You should experience a noticeable boost in both coverage and performance. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of experienced professionals is ready to provide you with the support and guidance you need. Whether it's troubleshooting or setup help, we're here to make your experience seamless. You can contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for assistance. And that's it. You've now successfully set up your Singtel WiFi Mesh Extender AC2600 manually. We hope this video has helped you enhance your Wi-Fi signal and improve your coverage. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials.